Up to message passing we have discussed. Next is, please listen. Next is object-oriented programming features. Object-oriented programming features. There are 4 features you can see in your book: data abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. Okay. Normally, everything around us is object oriented, because when we tell, suppose bring the duster, we are telling about the duster. You are call Amlan. Okay. So, we are talking about the object. Please. So, everything, okay. So, data abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. These 4 features must be implemented to make your program object oriented. That means in your program you are going to deal with objects. First thing is the data abstraction. Abstraction means you are hiding something and showing some broader thing. Like suppose somebody will ask you, where are you reading? You simply say Montfort School. You are not telling him immediately that I read in class 9, okay, section this, wait. All these details you are not telling. You are simply saying that I read in Montfort School. So you are abstracting. Only you are telling the essential things. You are hiding many things and telling the essential thing. That is what abstraction. Abstraction is the concept of simplifying real world concept into its essential elements. Okay. If you want to drive the car, you need to know only how to operate ABC, accelerator, brake and a clutch. Steering. Okay. So, other details you need not know. Other details, how the car is running, everything you need not know. Just like that, listen, switchboard, we are also doing the abstraction here. We are only concerned about to switch either on or off. What is the circuit inside is hidden from us. Here also we are doing the abstraction. Okay. Data hiding. Bhatta, you stand up there. Data hiding, see, hiding the data. It's a related concept, means it is related to what? Abstraction. Okay. Abstraction tells you what something to outside, but hides the details from outside. That is called data hiding. Okay. Only switches are exposed to outside. What are hidden? Circuits. What is there inside is hidden. Encapsulation, please. Encapsulation, we are coming to the second feature. Because data hiding, it is not regarded as a feature because it's a related concept. So, second feature we come to, that is the encapsulation. We have talked many things that we have in an object, attribute is there, behavior is there. You have to write them properly in a class. Class is having the behavior and attributes. You have to write them. You have to see which one will be hidden, which one will be exposed, which one will be shown, or what will be the abstraction. That you have to see. So you have to write everything. That is what encapsulation. Encapsulation is nothing but wrapping. Wrapping means covering the data and behavior, okay, inside a class. Also, implementation of the behavior and the data inside the class. Implementation means writing the details. Okay.